Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with your daily update for the Ethereum Technicals and Solana for the end of the week. For the Ethereum Technicals, price has reacted to support at 2400 overall, moving sideways after this last low, finding support at 2100. Volume for the short term supports upwards movement with the strongest volume on these bullish candlesticks just here and a push on this most recent bullish candlestick, though for the short to mid term, volume is strongest on the bearish sessions, particularly with this last low where price previously found support at 2100. As I have mentioned in countless previous videos at this point, this spike in volume may indicate that the low could be sustained at this point, though we do require bullish or bearish confirmation for confidence in that, and at this point we still do not have that confirmation. ADX is now flat, showing no clear trend. ATR declines as price moves sideways, with an overall bullish outlook for volatility as ATR previously increased along with price. As there is no clear trend indicated by ADX for Ethereum at this time frame, the model of stochastics and support and resistance suggests a downward swing may continue at this point towards support at 2100, where price finds that support point and stochastics may enter oversold. The previous upward swing may be complete, where price found resistance at 2720 and stochastics fell short of overbought. On the Solana daily chart, this wave count sees primary wave 5 and the end of cycle wave 3 to move higher, with the end of primary wave 4 just here. Within primary wave 5, it is expected to be within its early stages, currently within minute wave 3 of minor wave 1 of intermediate wave 1. Minute wave 2 labeled complete at this last low just here for August 30th, currently subdividing as a regular flat. If it continues any lower, it cannot move below the start of minute wave 1 at 111.4255, and with minute wave 3 now expected to continue higher, it is expected to break above this Elliott channel with a full green candlestick above and not touching, which would add confidence to this wave count. Beyond that, an additional high above 193.6182 would add further confidence to this wave count, as it is the invalidation for the alternate, which you will see in a minute, and additionally that would break the pattern of lower lows and lower highs. Overall, as price continues to increase, cycle wave 3 has a target calculated at 2887, which is the 11.09 extreme Fibonacci ratio between that and cycle wave 1. On the daily alternate chart for Solana, this wave count sees primary wave 4 incomplete to continue lower from minute wave 3 within minor wave C of intermediate wave Y. As primary wave 4 continues lower, it cannot move into primary wave 1 price territory at 26.4105. And as price continues lower, we have a target range calculated for minor and intermediate degree movements between 95 and 84. 95.3167 is the 1.618 logarithmic Fibonacci ratio of minor wave A, which is the target for minor wave C, and below that 84.7439 is the 1.618 logarithmic Fibonacci ratio of intermediate wave W, giving us that target for intermediate wave Y. If price continues upwards, then minute wave 2 cannot move above the start of minute wave 1 at 193.6182, as is the confidence point for the main daily chart, as you previously saw. And additionally, with this best fit channel drawn around primary wave 4, if minute wave 2 continues any higher, it may find resistance at the upper edge of the best fit channel. Though as price continues lower, the best fit channel is expected to provide support for the end of minor wave C, intermediate wave Y, and primary wave 4. On the technical daily chart for Solana, price has overall moved sideways after this last low, breaking just below support at 118, for the very short term moving lower after finding resistance at 157. Volume supports upwards movement with the strongest volume on the bullish candlesticks and a push on these various recent bullish candlesticks, though some pushes on the bearish candlesticks sees a little bit of strength for downwards movement. ATR declines as price moves sideways, previously increasing along with price, giving a bullish outlook for volatility. And as ADX declines for Solana at this time frame, the model of stochastics and support and resistance suggests a downward swing to continue towards support around 127, where price finds that support point, and stochastics may enter oversold, where the previous upward swing may be complete, where price found resistance at 157 and stochastics failed to enter overbought. That's all for me with your daily update for Solana and the Ethereum Technicals. As always, if you do want the Ethereum Elliott Wave count, you can sign up for that at pureelliottwave.com using the link in the description below. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good day.